What's up, everybody? Not too much really going on. Just figured I'd give you guys a little update on the J-Swap turbo manifold. Ryan's been sending me a bunch of pictures, so I figured I'd share them with you first, and then I'll start putting them on Instagram. And yeah, so enjoy. I do have to say, Ryan has done a great job with his manifold, and I'm very excited. So you guys enjoy these pictures as much as I do, hopefully. So as you're looking, you can just see how it all comes together, and you have no idea like how much I appreciate it, and like all the time it's taken him. Like the manifold is gonna be crazy sick, and he's making sure to share every step with me. I just enjoy his daily messages, even on the weekends. So much appreciate your work, Ryan, and keep it up. Looks great.
Oh man, look at that. Slides right on. Axle clearance. Subframe clearance. Second runner come right up in there. Looking sick. Dude, how nasty is this?
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the pictures. Not really much going on. Nothing will be going on in the next couple weeks either. This coming weekend I have a Ford F-150 that I got to do the timing chain on. Other than that, I might start on Cody's car actually. So after the Ford, we'll pull the white MR2 in, and we'll pull the motor out, and we'll add it to our motor bin over here of motors. Oh, I have a K24A2 for sale. Hit me up, it's the one right here. Has a little bit of oxidation, but only has 120,000 miles on it. But I will ship it too, so. All right guys, so I'll hit you guys up next week with the update on, we'll see where Ryan's at with the manifold. See you guys then, bye.